You can see the slide.
Okay, yeah. We can see.
Okay, it's clear. Okay, it is
Your
clear,
voice
right?
is low.
It's loud. No, it's not loud enough. It's not loud enough.
It's still it's not okay, okay. Okay, maybe we can because without further ado, um I think I will explain about the automoderator and edit patrol. We will see what is that. First, I will introduce myself. My name is Bonaventura Aditya Pradana. I'm product ambassador for the especially in Indonesian community, working with in Wikimedia Foundation. And this feature basically is about the basically controlling the vandalism. I think it's very important in the Wikimedia project. It's essential, I guess, essential in the Wikimedia project. So I will take it. Okay. First, I will explain about the edit patrol. Okay. So basically, this feature, I can say this feature embedded in the Wikipedia app. For now, it's only available for the Android, and hopefully it can get implemented also into iOS. Why is that? Why we develop the Android app first? This feature because the Wikimedia the team behind itself, it's a learning is like the team learn about the usage, especially in Indonesian Wikipedia user are mostly using mobile to edit or maybe combating the vandalism itself using the mobile. So this is the main reason from the Android team to develop this feature to help combat vandalism on the go, not just on the like using the desktop on the web, but also you can go combat vandalism, deal with vandalism on the go in the mobile. And for now, this feature only available for now. This feature is only available for the rollbackers above because we need to see this feature in this implementation. It's good enough for the future and usable itself. Yeah, because with this hopefully the user who are especially have a patrolling on the Wikimedia project combating vandalism, it's not have a big deal. It's not that hard time to use like constantly using the constantly using the desktop or the web application, so they can use the application Wikipedia app application on Android and deal with that to help combat the vandalism itself. This is maybe I can show you how it's work. I will use the link. One moment, please. Before I continue, it's the sound from the video it's clear enough or anything? Wait, I will just.
Within diff view, we can swipe between edits using swiping or the arrows at the top. And within diff view, find an example, we can do 4 different things. Thanking the user. We can add the article and its talk page to our watch list for a certain amount of time. We can send a talk page message. We'll go into that in a moment. And we can undo or roll back. So I'll show the process for rollbacking with some test edits. So under undo is where rollback is nested to prevent accidental rollbacks, and then we have another confirmation. So here's the view of the edit that I've just completed with my rollback. And if we go back to recent changes, I can as well see the rollback. Let's go back to sending a talk page message. I'm going to use the search function, pull up an edit, and now let's say I would like to send this user a message about this edit. We have accessible from the toolbar, the talk. If we want to send this user a talk page message, there's a couple of ways that we've added. So if you go into the talk page option, you'll see 2 tabs here, your messages and example messages. So our first option is to compose a message from scratch. So we would have a subject and a message. If we click next, we have the option to save this to our messages so we can reuse it. I'll save that so we can see what it looks like. Then we'll see a preview and then we can go to publish. The other option you have is to use a user talk warning template. So this field is a wiki text field. If we go over to the template option in our toolbar, we can search for the template we know we're looking for. So for example, we want to do a first vandalism warning. We have the option to add template data, and then we can insert that template. And we can give it a title. If we click next, we can also save this for quick reference later. And we'll see our our preview. And we can go to publish on the talk page. And I'll actually show what that looks like. So if we publish, then we're going to return back to our diff screen. And if we want to go view the editor's page, we're able to see our warning on their talk page. Back will take us back to the diff. The last option we have is to use either one of our saved messages or one of the example messages. And these are intended to be a starting place within the app for languages that don't have user talk warning templates. So you can open one of these and start from this to send your message. So you can personalize this and then go on to preview. And as you can see, the dynamic content was replaced with the username and your talk page. So that is the couple ways that you can send talk page messages. And lastly, from the overall view, you can always access your saved messages from the overflow menu. You can report a problem with the feature, or you can view the FAQ.
Okay, that's the how to you can see by the app itself how to use the edit control feature, and hopefully it's clear to you. And maybe after this, well, I'll go back again to my presentation. Okay. Okay. Maybe after this, you can try it out by yourself. The application you can download it on from Google Play Store. Set your primary language in the app. For now, it's only available in Indonesian for now, Indonesian and English. Use the account, open the edit tabs, open the edit patrol, and you can start reviewing edit the patrol and combat the vandalism itself. Okay. The next is the Automoderator. The Automoderator itself is like it's still on the prototype, it's still on the ongoing project. So we do not have exactly like the tutorial like the edit portal itself. But this is the we are working on this to the other way to the combat the vandalism. So um like what we if we could automatically find and reflect vandalism so that you didn't need to spend as much time reviewing new changes. So I, I must inform you the automoderator itself is not like changing the entire entire patrolling system. It is just a complementary to help and assist the experienced contributor, especially to combat vandalism and uh, make to up their burden a bit. So this tool is helping, not changing the entire the patrolling process as usual. So maybe we already know about the account, the Wikipedia account who automatically like doing a task for example, like in the top page on like making a minor revision, a little revision about the in the article itself. But the bot itself, it's sure it's really helpful to the community, no doubt it's really helpful. But at some point, it's not uh, available in all projects simultaneously. So yeah, if for example, if in my understanding, the bot itself, if to have to apply to the other the Wiki project, you must copy the script, for example, to add in the on their wiki. It is a long process, but yeah, basically we are building something similar like this, but it will making available to all wiki simultaneously. So if you see here on the left, it's like you see the on the left is the edits, recent edits to in recent change in Wikipedia, for example. And you see the right is the number. The number itself is like the threshold. If the number is like it's near the because in example it's near the one in here like 0.97, it's likely to be reverted automatically. But where we get data in the prior to the to the collecting this data, we have some contributors to develop to test the feature, and we get some threshold like this. So if there is edit beyond this threshold, or caution level, it will revert it automatically. Okay, but this okay, next. So what will it look like if the feature is implemented? It will be going to be like this. Yeah, maybe zoom in a bit. There you go. If you see like the username is Automoderator, it's yeah, its function is more like a bot, but it's not default like itself though. So the user can change the username later, and it's functional like a bot, and it will have the separate default pet configuration on the wiki project. So basically, administrator will have control over the auto moderator. Again, this picture, it's not it's not like have a big burden. So if the community decides something, for example, oh, I will uh, make sure this feature is not hard, not actively uh, like disrupt the edit, so you can change that immediately using the discussion in the community or with help with our team to develop that. Definitely, this feature is not 100% accurate because using the base machine learning model. So everyone can get involved to help this. So in the future, we will have the false positive report page. The new user can report it to the page, and the experienced one will review to help make sure this feature will make it more reliable in the future. So this is the example. We develop first in Indonesian Wikipedia. We have separate page Wikipedia moderator, so the community will get update about this development as soon as possible. So during the pilot, we will monitor like number of revert, number of false positive reports, activity levels, and impact on the auditors. So yeah, within the community update, we will keep working and keep updated to the community. We we will make sure to have more configuration option to so community can develop by themselves in the future. Central page message when reverted, integrating community configuration user interface, features for testing auto moderator, caution level, so the community in the future can set the threshold. So it will make it easier for them to adjust the feature as possible. Yeah, everything is possible to have requested to make it more usable in the community itself. So yeah, this is from my slide. Thank you for listening. Maybe if you have any other question, you can contact me on the email in the beginning. Yeah, thank you.